cowboy down.
Massa. Now, pa, some cake, eh? At Nasa come and fit Nasa my Enquire. Why not the cry? Every at Nasa.
What has you? A Kwasu. Kwasu. Mr. Kwasu. And I'm saying Kwasu. A Kwasu is a Kwasu. Again, a doba. I'm a far from her. No. Obama na nanu go from beti aye go so te Sam as me fa my baby no se dey na do be pie ha nana dedi kam watena si
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yama mo akwaba tumirikane share yen. Ewo Facebook no so DLFM 106.9. Kasi yabon home phone ahodo ne videos ni anam so banya bi na wa hwe edi amayen. Yen hye kase bona se yen fi ase emfam free Minister for Interior Alhaji Muntaka Muhammad Mubarak make say no. Wabo approd na ni akire mo Ghana Prison Service etimi akwa wonu mudwumeli ahodo mudie free say enen so eka na so ye ne ho betumi aboma ahobambo nsem ewo manyimu nema etimi akonkan yepa etimi ediamomam no kopie mu ewo Ghana Prison Service wanom headquarters mechi omatan yakasie mu ewo ka prematem na minister kwai na okire mu sem opese wo maden ehwe ase no de nani edehwe prison service omudwumeli omudie ne so titiriu de abate ena ye kwansi de ediama Ghana Prison Service no ne niam ba pa na betimi abo ebehia na animanim yata watimi atoto ne mana boa na Prison Service ne so eniam etimi akonkan yepam minister ba maden konhwehwe ekohwehwe niam ba ko mienu saa no ena wo chem se ekese no onne timi na betimi atena se abodwumaden ahwe ema de hia monsumu ye adwuma Ghana Prison Service no monhwehwe pa etimi akonkan yepam wakasa kire mu se wo Ghana Prison Service na dwumade omudie ne akonkan yepa ne senti abanya bebetu abon homaden attach ese na so ye na chimatumi aboa ema Ghana Prison Service ne so ne amatumi akonkan yepa etimi ede ama wonom o kirema na memwo a obabebuo ne betumi aboa pama ne eye Ghana Prison Service mpenifo no wonom etimi ade kasibom abere na abere bia ne ma hodoa enkonkan ne a eku etia Ghana Prison Service eviside ma ben ne akade be no mbehia de aboa ma Ghana Prison Service ne matumi akonkan ede ma wonom eya Alhaji Mubarak Mutaka aka se kirem sem ye ka se de on ne perefo nyina betumi abom abodwumaden atimi asom Ghana Prison Service no e ma ne betumi aka akwakoye kraba hwe se be ye beboa na Ghana de hye akodam wa fie se di bebe no ma promoden to mi nkoye ni ma basa na to nyina tumi atwa ma Ghana nso ye Prison Service ne betumi akonkan ye pa ede ama o my Ghana Alhaji Muntaka Muhammad Mubarak Agyei ene nsam to twen ko mre wo no ho ekopie mom e wo Ghana Prison Service no den sem say in order to ja
acknowledging the importance of the Ghana Police Service, recognize the crucial role the service plays in maintaining public safety and security. I equally acknowledge the service efforts in providing safe custody.
It's DLFM 106.9.
The Ghana Police Service will continue, and my commitment is to ensure that our services are really resourced. Highlight the government's effort to improve the manpower of the service through recruitment and training. Express your concern about inadequate budget allocation for feeding inmates. Assure you that we will discuss with the finance minister for a better improvement of the service in general. I must emphasize that the importance of rehabilitation and reintegration program for business, highlighting the government initiative to provide skill training and employment opportunity for the
It's DLFM 106.9.
To ensure that we prioritize the reproduction of the business through the implementation of non-custodial sentencing options. Coming into the yard, looking at the environment and looking at the kind of people that are there. I don't think you do. I challenges that you are confronted with in terms of the infrastructure and vehicles and what have you. I must say, we must modernize the basic infrastructure, including the development of digital record keeping system, biometric identification and safety tolerance. For some, I can imagine the stress that you go through every day. I admit we must do everything humanly possible to build the capacity as officers, staff of the business service to be able to meet the challenges that confront you. Through this specialized training in the English
DLFM 106.9.
Any awoti ye ayo swafo no eno don ma Ghana manwe ensem eso ne den edi Alhaji Mutaka Mubarak Mohammed nene ena woti ye
Yantua Kasiabone so na office of the special prosecutor Edin Tansa edi atuni pansia so ewoye high court no watamalo moche se eye payroll hun sensemo mususu so mo ho bon ewo katahye any proyemu na ni pansia eye Yakubu Tahidu Abdullahi Abubakari Sadiq Sammy Mohammed Yusuf J Stafford eye Clote Azude Baris ana eye Osman eye Isa Akwa moche se eye katahye ne proyo mu hu bon mu eye beye dunsu a eye ade a omode oha kase pa ana abra oman ne sanse omama oman ni sikasem etimi akofamie papa na abra national security for ebe ye referral ede fa ye case no omoche se eye Yakubu Tahidu yi na kenka ne no ye ochereche ni ewo Balugu eye MAJHS omoche se no eye ade a waja ya de kire no ede ne ho akobo ye microfinance ene eye small loan center eho anoye adwuma nanso eye bosumi su bia oje na katua ede free eye ocherekire adwuma ni mo hu ne se enya ade a ekoso ye kresan se ebasa na chese ye ghost name no esan se won kira ade bio se woni microfinance and small loan center for anaye adwuma nti ade nti na bosumi so a obeji wu akatua se ocherekire ni na ye Abdullahi Abubakari Sadiq on na ye yendi IPPD coordinator ana ye Sammy oni ye schools improvement support officer oni ye Abubakari ene kabom no ma confirm eye salary e de ama Yakubu Tahidu omo kire se ade na omo ye na omo de omo ho ahye ye katahye ani proyemu na ba Mohammed Yusuf eye je ni so ona ye former head teacher e wa ye Balugu eye MAJHS no ono so ede ni nsa esi so ede eye salary e de ma eye Yakubu Tahidu ene eye omo a omo kika omo kire se da bi ade amu ye de enya ade so ani kresanse ni pay onye adwuma so cheche ni ti ade nti na scan ba mo se ane oyo cheche ni na maji scan e di amano ana ya Stafford ya Clote Azude Baris ono na ya assistant ya chief accountant technicians ana ewa ya controller and accountant general department ono so ehu jima chese sikane ba omo se ane sikane ye ne dia na omaje na omo dia mano eye Osman eye Isaaku ono na ye current head teacher Edema Baluku eye MAJHS no mo so ehu ni se eye ade ono so ehu bon wa ye katahye ni proye ma chese sikane ba na omaje ade nti ana woje eye waketwe o microfinance and small loan center na fe so eye ocheche ni awawi a on kira ade wo hobiem sikane ba na waje ade omo ye de omo ho oman ni ye papa into your office of the special prosecutor at the year charges at the abowom ewa ye high court no tamale
nature say we no more fraud on
fraud pa
frakada na mo de ayo man
hey on kira de bio
krum ha ne de
boso meso na and the omo ye nsia nti na we say oh ye ni sika na we yaje na we yaje sa na akodu no na cheso mache
somebody ka kan de do me so o man Ghana na ye wo mu no ho ehu hia senka bobosia o ewa amano ne da eye pro ne kankan
ana yesa
amanyoko mienu MPP ni NDC womo na maga na abre be pemesa mra ye kesei wati ase o menya konwa na betena so a obi a chance obenya bia de nsam mienu eno omo na na omo hwini nyina wuram didi
ombe na on didi sen ombe didi
da omo ni mu twen wo why yenko ye nim sikapa yenko pie mu wa santimatanim na ndrada ejire sesra na ni nyina ne sa Ghana fo ba kana wetwa mwen ena Council of State abato no course nanso asantimantemo ekoje ta ema so ture pie mu ni sente ni pere moden etimitu abahye no anasa abato no de hyeta na ndrada na ye dwada na ya bos ojefo bos me da so edu enson emfimpem mienu ne edenu enum na abato no ekoso ehonom na aka ne Ashanti Regional Chairman Edman National Democratic Congress ndi samayoko no ya owusu obimpe ono na ndra enkaboto ja kirem so ono na Council of State abato no watimi edimu kunimo nyaba na mako eye aduana enkron 49 votes na nka ne kirem se na results ne ba wiye na return officer no ejira mu ekenka na ndra ta ewo eye ogefo abosome no ne da to so edun so emfempem mienu ene edenu numu no kirem so obimpe watimi ade nkuri ofisa ba na onyaye no onyado do ese no bibiara otumi ko gina mi so enkokoto no so aba ni pim na onipa openipo ya return officer baba na o kire mi sem eya enkansa boadu nana ayeboafo enya 35 votes eno achi nso Daniel Anafi Yamoa enya 1 vote pe ena oma ka ne de ba kumpo wamanya ye Ghana enya sem kuma yiri yo yeso manya hwe akukoti ena omutumi nya ye wabato mjese ne ekwa akwaye ni mgwase asem pad ma womopam na woni mu kirem se nipa mba maden se na nkaja omkokoto aba no nyina da eye aduowatwe ensia 86 nanso ba kwa tumi ampie mu nti emu mako aduowatwe num 85 ba ho maden etimi koto aba na mu kirem se ba kumpo nya de etumi se ni senti bibia ko nka mendo ada no abato ndo mi koyi a make se opanipa ne den ede eye owusu obimpe yaw a ono na kan no ye otetani ede ma Ashanti region NDC amanyoko no ono no timi di mu konem na return officer no eje mena no kenkan abato yenkwati ensema hodo bi a odo tudwa e wasante bantanem
na edi omdi ba so mbesi aka ne bi anapa ya wie gusu ana menu ede kata se omo yomu afrimu sabenso na eka akiri enso ye de so kata ne munti e se bomba ne se menu na officially omo yomu free dwumadi ne mu ntia aka ne padu wie no ebi adaka no so no enipa edi otwenim 85 na eto aba no na wo so omo ye 86 ba ko antumi ama nti 85 na kwa adaka no ebi anse nti no rejected ballots nti wie no ne odika na nkansa boadu ayeboafo na nyama no 35 aduasa enum mame rosam wanya bi Fredika je anya bi na yaw akoko anya bi na zaranti anya bi na jedu kumani otoso na anya bi na kusi ampofo anya bi Angela Yechi anya bi na ofruwa Adwoa anya bi na Daniel Anafi ya mu anya ba ko eje bismark anya bi yaw owusu obimpe enya 49 votes eti okay na mesi edi otwi num pepepe 85 ballot ni na asi eti yeja wesu eka se ene akansie no yenua ya owusu obimpe 49 votes ena ye winner the electoral commission we declared ya obimpe as the winner and then regional rep for council of states
eni awoti ye electoral commission wonom returning officer Endrada ono ena hwe Ashanti region council of state abato no so no ena wote ne nka no eno ache nso ena ndi sama yokurum mpanifo mo asantemantem bi nso at the same say at the Tonsantrafo anim.
His Excellency has gotten somebody who can advise him. In the name of President Owusu Bimpe, he has helped the party a lot. He deserves to be the Council of State for Ashanti region. I'll give thanks to all the members who voted for him. We know that we have a long way to go. Ashanti region must be united once again. He's going to work so that Ashanti region has its fair share. We thank His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Everybody.
Any awoti ye ayasante matemo. And this amanyokurum penifoni be and awate wanom enkai.
Yentwa kasebone so na ukotema ne impota mu de ya di atememfo ho no mamusu ye papa esanse eye nsu e deda ho no mani biaye bia nsu efiri mu oba no e wo ye o market ene eye public places no mo kire se ya di a enam so ma enkapa de chese unya ehunimpo na de ahome na from papa mpo etimi afom ho achese o musu ye papa eno nam so ama eye shops bebre wo ho no matutum esanse ukotena ho no ma nipa mpese o betwam wo ho esan enka into be shop ne crampo nipa ba ko crampo ni wono ma obeba abeka se eye ade a oba be etade edi amao na yetama metropolitan assembly ni de se no mo kire se awuni ndie hu nsam de ha mo ye papa esan so mo gates na choki eye nru ahodro no ma kompata mu ho no mo kire se enru anko akọ stores nchenche ni na enru pi na na ha o mo kire se eye ade ode o ha kese ana de brown se do ma pomudon de edansan ye mu pa kire se enya sem ketwa edemawom enka no krampo no ana ekumo ma chese aduane mpo no omuntimi endidi wo honom adenti ana wo se eba ne saa we na ye Emmanuel no ya taxi driver e won potemu e che na adwe na okase obatemade a chese o how kase a e ha mo pa eno no enya ade a eye food vendors mpo etimi ton aduane sanse sa wo de aduane besi honom a obi betwem no ohu obegye se chese obedi a obeyare nti no omba embeto eno nam so mo mu business ne kra e sei sanso na ye Richard onu wo local shop or ye local shop owner oni ye na dwuma ye fo che so muntimi ekobie shop esan so obi antwemu wo hompo no aba beto ade e de ama wo mto mo sre aban eni ni mpanifo a e waterman so omo sro ma do omo bebo am se ne ebe ya omo ahunindie hu nsem ebetimi akoso ye e de ama wo anya sa de omo hu ne omo be ye omo di nsem sei etuja.
For the past week now, the switch having a problem, and we call upon the assembly to come see to it, but they couldn't come. So it's giving a problem here. So many cents and all over. We can't stay around, we can't chop, we can't do anything at all. But it's not good at all. So we are calling upon the opinion leaders to come and help us. Oh, they will say that they will do it. That's the next time they say they will do it. But a week now, we didn't hear any response from them again.
Feti on your market, me joining because me cry, me betu se BBC, me to Adwoa. And me by Friday no so enyumre betu so omoye. But me no madinti a master no. Into mincha enumre no yabeto se card na ho a Friday enumre no be 4 o'clock kabet yeah but still no say nim say omo no manye you say edwuma na esusin omo enti na ma problem no gusu wo affecting because obi didi 1 cent no bo fa na so a enye good way nti enye kran some painful no so omo hwe no mo yaman oyo mbi say den e ka fa ho ana na say etie mefu edwuma wo so omo mbeye omo abehye mo ntimi aye no omo so omo kwa omo amba bio
market no dey go on because people no dey pass here, they buy our thing. They say my shop is say 2 weeks. I don't feel working. You see, I get 2 kids, but I want them. So he had give me what I go chop say he have give me. So what he did that? Yeah. I see the workers. They say they day on top. They come. They work for the market. They credit for the market. They come. So maybe they say maybe for next week going they go reach here.
When they have too much, almost 2 weeks. The Ghanaian market cry and sana yesati, but I also remember my. Though when they have sent me so high. First, can I pay 50 anymore? Don't buy no some and I feed and jay still ask you same thing. When you go to this side to the same thing, center to the same thing. The one band the head the move to me here be my now one be my intent.
And ya wuti ye eyetimemfo omowa eyetema Metropolitan Assembly no mo chese we abie oha kese pan e de ama wo mti na ban ani penifo enhwe na omomboa wo
enti we na ye siweji wo
siweji
ba bia drobenda ekopiemu agya na bia hodo ewa wataman ne mpotem ampenifo akata so hona omode omo ehyen ni begina etwe kotuguo ena abo apeso ena etu hwia efa adehye ne hwini motema won
na hwe nsuo ne kra efimu ba na ya enka ne
ni pa ba yale omunya bibi mfa ho enti we besre tema Metropolitan Assembly no munya bibi mfa ho anim anim nya na adehye ne bre bra Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 edinfuru na to so bra we hwese de ade aye na we shop ben pa na ubi obetua beto ade obi adu obetwam enti e besre we de madama yeso yikura na mu monko ye bibi maye na ade hye ne mpotem ho no mo hu na ma ne ye pa esika ye nto akase bo no so niefo nko pie mu ewo eye MPP amanyoko na kachem na vice chairman edema 2024 ba omia campaign team na akomia de smart dwa kiremu se ye shock pa MPP amanyoko ni sa kan ya wo mfempem mienu ene de na ya bato ni mu no entiti na ni so de se bi obi a wabo no e de se kwoto a wabo okofa fa sa na akomia kiremu se defeat we de ye di twam ene e bizan se senior na de okeka kan de ene say ene managing director at the Mass State Transport Corporation o kiremu se o ha na ba ene pa de a wọ́n mú hùn sí àbátọ́ ní díẹ̀ ó hẹ́ na Ghana sika sẹ́m sẹ́ díẹ̀ kọ́ na sẹ́ Ghana sika sẹ́m sẹ́ díẹ̀ àkókò àná wọ̀yàrẹ́ ọ̀hún na sẹ́ àtàsí àti Ghana sika sẹ́m ti na wọ́n mú ni mu sẹ́ àbátọ́ ní díẹ̀ bí a nanka NDC bẹ́tùmí ẹ̀wìn ní nanso no wọ́n yẹ sẹ́ díẹ̀ báyìí ní díẹ̀ mọ̀mọ́ ní so biri mu too much na wọ́n díẹ̀ bá ní sẹ́ni o kyerẹ́mu sẹ́ defeat wọ́n yẹ one of the sisani biggest defeat a wọ́n yẹ o kyerẹ́mu sẹ́ sontoto enti ẹ̀ma nkukú wọ́n díẹ̀ ẹ̀ma na ní so tán na paa sí àmẹ́kẹ́sẹ́ no ó ntumi ẹ̀nyẹ́ ne ho hwẹ́ koraa na akomia ka se kiremu sem Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no wo hwe ni pom ko gina ye e wa fempem mienu ne do ne abato ni mu na ko dimu ye anka wo ne policies ahodo na nka betua wo magana yakoye ni mu ye power o man empuntom nanso fofia ntota ko dwere ne okoko dwere ba mode a eye ne ya nanso no omugusu amiemie mu akro se be ye bia mo hwe ni mu sem 2028 ni dia ba no besa ba mo ba na ni bre so etimi ababedin konim no de sem sei e de to nsantwefo anim.
Have you recovered from the shock?
Not quite. It's still early. We haven't recovered. For me, my regret is that I still think that Dr. Bawumia's policies that he was going to introduce were some of the best policies I have seen. What the party has done is put in place a committee of very learned people, and we have asked them to find out in a scientific way the key reasons why we lost.
Eno achi ena nana komia eka se na osan chire mu say ade ba ko ka ho bi ema MPP amayoko no edi nkuguo pa we de bi nsida o maga na mu no chire mu se ni nyina da dodo na eye MPP amayoko na gitafo wono mankwa abonte anko to aba no ena ka mo di nkuguo etesa na o chire mu se o mu nim de enti e ba ne sa na so mu gusu toto ne ma se wetimi aboa ne nkuguo mu de ye no we no mu hu nimpe ni so e wo 2028 abato no.
The unique thing about the last election was that our supporters just stayed away from the polls. If you look at the people who voted for us in 2020 and the numbers that voted for us in 2024, there's a fall of 2 million. Now, those 2 million votes that we lost did not go to the NDC. I'm saying that 2 million people who voted for us in 2020 didn't vote for us in 2024. That is plain and simple fact. Now, you look at our opponents, those 2 million didn't go to them because John Mahama had just an extra 100,000 or so. And if you look at the increase in the voters register, getting 100,000 extra really wasn't much. So the 2 million people, in our view, didn't go to vote. So obviously they are disappointed, and we need to find out what were the key reasons why they were so disappointed that they didn't make the effort.
No, actually, na komia kasem no san chire say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no nim say Ghana yesi kasem economy no na enkoye de na nso na obeto to na ma pa ne senti NDC for ni gina so de ye campaign tia ne ye pa na ka ho bia ema wodi nkugo na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na hwa hye pod ye gwa kwane ka betumi ma Ghana yesi kasem etimi aso ne senti omom keka so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia du ba bi na economy na enkoye odwane e o chire say sansem no so no krenim.
In the world, today's world, if you take maybe the 10 biggest companies in the world, they are all companies in the digital business, software. So you can't downplay digitalization. And I'm sure if the NDC has started making noises about digitalization, but they poo-pooed it in the election and tried to throw Bawumia under the bus using the macro difficulties. I don't blame them for it. But he didn't run away from the economy. It's just that because the economy was in difficulty, all the NDC had to do, and the economy was in difficulty. I mean,
actually, no, na komia ka se mo san chire mu se ade aba ko ene so edi o hwan papa ne se woni mu nya rehemu ehunu se embodem bo a MPP amayoko na bo ne de se de tie bia na bana ko betumi di mu enkunim o chire mu se na kampo ankomu ni nkunim po anka bekwa runoff ke beto na fufuro bio eni tira mo na mountain so na enwoma na wakwa na ne na wo sisi fia ni bia fi so mu hu se de ado ne de MPP amayoko na mu ye guy pass mu de sa no manam ne senti sisi fia no so amwa o na se de resimo mu nya na ekodu sa na amfa no o twene ho a ehɔ no so ehawa no mu ye pa.
I was disappointed at the scale of the loss. But we all knew that it was
106.9.
We always knew we were coming from behind. I mean, everybody knew that the state of the economy. I mean, but when the campaign kicked off,
106.9.
Bawumia came in November 2023. In January, February, Mahama was about 10% ahead of us. But as the campaign was launched and the campaign went to full stream, we kept narrowing the gap. So we knew it was going to be, we knew we were coming from behind. And by October, September, we knew we were catching up. So we thought we had a good chance of a runoff, in which in a runoff anything can happen. So we knew we were the underdogs, and that and all the polls showed that we were the underdogs.
Ne kra mu na komia kire mu say wonu mankasa endi zemenye ko no mu nnim se Ghana fo betumi ate red card e de akire MPP amanyo ko ni kese se da ni senti enkugo na endi zemenye ko ni di ye ne anasa endi zemenye ko ni nya ye no enkunim no no nkire se bia modern bobi mo ma ni so eni do na mum no ayade a Ghana fo na te red card ne kese pa editia MPP ne mum one man can say this no money na kwan sa ba no betumi de nkunim kese a ete sa akra.
Like I said, as the campaign got nearer to December, we were catching up. You know, the Baumia ran a very intensive campaign, and shock was the extent of the loss. I don't think even the NDC, even though they knew they were ahead because of the 8-year thing, and then we were faced with the state of the Ghanaian economy. The NDC knew they were ahead, but I don't think even they expected the margin of victory that they got. So really, that is the shock.
Ani awoti ye vice chairman Dema FMPM yenu eni eduonu nan mu eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team no ne den ade nana akomia ne nsema hodo wade so me ye ne mu kire mu ene ye de asun we nyina we so ne na ye ho ye ba ye de kasebon de aka kire nyina be som mo e wo kasebo yi eso.
Makwantu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso me yensam tro ne nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya abrani adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo na me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madansi die nie ma me nintreo Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount. Say we call United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradia, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho work permit ethetri. Ma menchira wo mo etri kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Bay Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso samuel626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media.
Yamamo akwaba afe yanko Facebook na kenka Ghana fo adwen kire ne bi emfa mamo awiei na emfa say we free piaga no kire me say the news is fantastic pa yanzu ya dasi senior we fizinabu atamu no kire me say good afternoon for watching live from Kaswa Amam from at Zeze Saloon. Good work ya dasi pa hofe yanzu ya chene jumadi ya wo Kofi Parliament no kire me say my hometown Aguna Swedro to Aguna road no o kire se etutu sa no manum hey Kofi Parliament o se ne hometown pa Aguna Swedro e go pem adwuma ko sie me kromo o se me se etutu sa no manum and the President Jem bomode na be ya biribi ante sa de mo brei pa we Kofi Parliament o di free Aguna apa yo ya dase Baba Mahama Obuazi James said people are still in the forest reserves doing illegal mining. Left from right is if there is no leadership in the country. Yate it is any galamse mutu nyafu. Eyewitness multimedia for fantastic news presentation in Nhyiraba. Keep up the good work. Live with Nana Adwoa Odia Sempa the second senior yansia da se pe we every year Gary Simon no them say good. There be where they have to know. Even yeah, that's a pa. Richard, hello, James. Good afternoon to you. Adwoa Agyei Sikapa in Nhyiraba. Mubo Jumadin ye panaka sebone e mo de san manam na enam DJ Ghana man fide so great station e DLFM nice. Sine ya that's a pan so mpa wonso wosum DLFM ene Ghana nyina we. Na ye nyina we so na ka sebone ye munu kom na san na no. Ma memfa birthday ka se we enko emfa ma oba hofa. Enwi ene ahofa adware wo pa ne den ade abna Janet ahofa abna Janet we ye happy birthday enko enfama on every DJ afi banchan oya adwuma o DLFM 106.9 Kofi pictures ne do so to show ba kwa afi ba na obeko wo ni sama mi sam enti we afi ba say happy birthday enko enfama on Janet eye abna we na damfo wo no wo bema camp 89 hono na obuto no wotire mi say may God Almighty bless you and grant you a day filled with love, laughter and all your favorite things. You deserve to be celebrated from DJ Afiba. And where ahofe ya do pa said Afiba do ne sana DLFM so yenso ya do pantene happy birthday and confirm abraje netawo owo bema camp 89 every DJ Afiba and time Kofi Boamie na yansa enko wese so wenso every openia ne den Adam Mr. Tweneboa Kwadwo Ernest or deputy PR at the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Environment, no education. We the day at the Mr. Tweneboa Kwadwo Ernest or deputy PR at the Ministry of Environment or send the Baba, the day the Erola Daisy at the Pa Tweneboa Kwadwo Akredia Dekwa at the Zano Manamono or send the Bano, the day at the Erola Daisy at the Pa Tweneboa Kwadwo or Chamsane. When you feel back kunti nyankopon oma wonfie ne nya de pa said you did de pa no ya mempeja opa no nya okese every na go nyina ma wonso no ma no empie so atamfo bi tata wa yankopon fa dad wo mbona pampam no wontu hwe say tem no man jire de wa hwehwe papa peja no no oma wonso wonya enhira kese empede we happy birthday enko enfama erola Daisy adepa Tweneboa Kwadwo efi papa ne den de Mr. Tweneboa Kwadwo Ernest or deputy PR at the Ministry of Environment. When you know it's like I said, when you come say, Pong Casabam Samu for a maze, maybe entering say more at the Mayan. Committed you could pay more Facebook or no, so and your name in a person, you know. A dear major, so I attack radical joke trouble with the crown. I like your name, Pong Kwadwo Vice Day, Anna. Kwadwo Vice
You go so February nimtino.
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene.
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Ndi we Adwoa Vice on.
Adwoa Vice.
Yes, so na Adwoa Sike betena se ne ebewura papa. Every nsema amade ba no radio mu ya santoa. Bobodi so kasa every mu nyi frese se wuyi free ha pe. Wa yo ho. Na Adwoa Sike any sexy journalist and if you come your fum. On betena se ne dia wadwumadie no. Atwa se mu nyina mu ene tia adehye.
Midimafo